Hi there guys, come with me. I'm going to show you an incredible Roblox donation system. Let's go and take a look. We're entering Pebble Heaven, a new beginning. As you enter the game, you are placed inside the waiting room. And if you have played this game before, you gotta notice there are some new stuff in here. For example, there are two guys standing over here. One is Blink, the other one is Speedy, and they will give you very good power. Blink is gonna give you the power to teleport, and Speedy is gonna give you the power to run really fast. Anyway, the thing I want to show you today is this incredible Roblox donation system. It's very sophisticated, so let me walk you through how it works. Immediately, you can see there are now two booths here, two new donation booths. The first one is for Robloxian Legend. So this is for you to donate to the Robloxian Legend, aka iGamer, the developer. The second booth is for Price CP Roblox, aka Price Counterpuncher. And you can see there are two big boards. They are showing the total amount each person has donated. And the list is sorted in order. So the person with the highest total donation goes on top. Let's take for example, here Teskill has donated 1050 Robux to Price CP Roblox. And on this side, Teskill has donated 1100 to the iGamer. I'm jealous, he has donated more to the iGamer than to me. And the second one on the list here is the iGamer has donated 1000 Robux to me. And I have donated 1000 Robux to the iGamer, so we're even. And he has donated 500 to himself here, and I have donated 500 to myself. Now here is the amazing thing. Let's say if I want to go and donate to myself now, right? So as you approach the bench, the booth, you're gonna see an E to donate button. You just have to press E on your keyboard or click on E here, and then you get this beautiful menu here. You can select the amount that you want to donate. For example, you can donate 10 Robux or 50 Robux or 100 Robux, 500 and 1000 Robux. Let's say I'm gonna donate 100 Robux to myself. So I'm gonna click on 100 here. And then over here, I'm just gonna click on 100 Robux. And before I do that, I want to show you the board here. So the board here is showing the name of the top 3 donors right now. But as soon as I click on this new donation here for 100 Robux to Price CP, click on it, you can see that the board has been updated. So the name of the latest donor now appears at the top of the board. So when you make a new donation, your name always gonna go on the top. Let's see it again. For this time, I'm gonna donate to myself 500 Robux. Holy shit. So you see this very sophisticated donation system. Not only does it keep the name of all the people who have donated to each person, but it also updates the list to show the name of the latest donation on the top. Let's take for example, I'm gonna go to the iGamer. I'm gonna donate some Robux to the iGamer right now. I hope I still have enough Robux, so I'm gonna press an E here. And for the iGamer, I'm only gonna donate 10 Robux to him because I'm running out of Robux. I don't have a lot of Robux left. So I'm only gonna donate 10 Robux to the iGamer. And let's take a look. Pick 10. Alright, so you can see I'm almost out of Robux. I only have 344 Robux left. But here it goes, 10 Robux to the iGamer. And you can see, there it is. It goes on the top, 10 Robux. So now my name is at the top of both boards. Means I have donated to myself and I have donated to the iGamer. So basically, to make this donation system, you would need a couple of different things. First, you need to know how to do the proximity prompt, the E to donate. And after that, you need to know how to do this beautiful GUI menu. And lastly, you need to know how to use data store to keep track of all the names of the people who have donated. And you know we have posted tutorials on all of this. So if you want to make the same incredible Roblox donation system, you can refer to our tutorials for more details. So guys, come on to Pebble Heaven, a new beginning, and make your donation. Whether you can afford to make a donation or not, it's okay. Just come on to Pebble Heaven, a new beginning, and experience this incredible new donation system for yourself. If you can afford it, put in a small donation, make a wish, see your name pop up on the board, take a selfie, and show it to your friends. The link to the game is in the description of this video. So come on by and experience this incredible Roblox donation system for yourself. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.